morning everyone. My name is Vinod. I am studying in 5th grade. Today topic is India place value chart. Ones, thousands, lakh, crore. Ones, tens, hundred, 10,000, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. India International Place Value Chart. Ones, tens, thousand, million. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Million, 10 billion, 100 million. Thank you.